Hi friends and partners, Sean Sullivan with Mission 823. We're here in Kyiv, Ukraine, and I've got a couple of my team members here. This is Rick Melero with his capital. He's a board member, and Macaulay Austin from Friendswood Baptist Church near Houston, Texas. We've been in Ukraine for about a week now, delivering humanitarian aid, assessing the needs of the people, and looking for ways that we can continue to roll our programs and our assistance forward.
Thank you so much, Illuminate Church and U.S. Hunger, for partnering with Mission 823 so that we can get 100,000 meals packed. What I wanted for you to do is to see today exactly where we're delivering these types of meals so that we can continue to bless people and help them in the most urgent moment of need. And so today you're going to get a view of some of the things that are going on and some of the devastation that these people are facing today. And we're doing everything that we can in our power to support them and empower them, and most importantly, to help them rebuild in their faith, in their home, and with their family. I want you guys to look at this home that we're in right now. This gentleman lost everything that he has. His home is completely destroyed. His father passed away here when 2 rockets were launched and destroyed. And as you can see, I'm holding bullets and shells from the war. And I'm asking each and every one of you to just consider not only to pray, but to be a part of the solution for these people who have literally zero resources to survive. So from the bottom of our hearts, we thank you for what you've already done, and we challenge you to join us to double down to make a difference in the lives of these people.
America, please help, please, please.
We're about to look into the home of whatever's left of this gentleman, so come check it out. So this is your bed. And this is all the stuff you have left. Is your power? No power. No power at all. So as you can see, the only thing that this gentleman has left is all the food and all the resources that are being sent from the United States and other countries. And so it's really essential that this is how they live at this moment, because they have no other options. And we have to do everything that we can to support and help these people. The question I would ask each and every one of you is, if this was you, would you want someone else to help you? So in conclusion, I want to take this moment once again to thank each and every one of you for your generosity and your heart of making a difference for the people of Ukraine. Please consider partnering with us at whatever capacity that you have. And please also pray and share this content with other amazing individuals like yourself so that we can expand our reach and increase our impact. It's our calling, and we hope that you feel the same calling and that you'll partner with us as well. God bless.